This is the Ultimaker 2 Plus, a unique 3D printer with an innovative open-source platform and a global community. Let's take a look at what makes it one of the best desktop 3D printers ever. The Ultimaker 2 Plus has a large build volume, and yet it can easily fit onto any desk. It has a swappable nozzle, so you can quickly switch between different nozzle sizes. The standard is 0.4mm, but you also have the option to use a 0.25mm nozzle for detailed prints or 0.8mm for fast prints. It's really easy to level the build plate using the printer's assisted leveling process. Set the right height by turning a knob while using the Ultimaker calibration card. To clean the plate, simply open the clamps and remove it. To bring your 3D model to life, you'll need to prepare it for print using Cura, our free slicer software. You can either choose a preset or tinker with the expert settings. Once done, a G-code file is saved to an SD card, which slots into the Ultimaker 2 Plus for standalone printing. You'll start the print with a control panel, which also lets you make any adjustments during the print. Because it has a heated glass build plate, you can print using many different materials. The Ultimaker 2 Plus has a powerful 35-watt heater cartridge, which not only heats the nozzle in under a minute, but also allows for really fast prints. The new fan caps ensure the airflow is aimed perfectly below the nozzle and equally from both sides, whilst the new sun-on fans are barely audible. Its new sensitive temperature sensor provides accurate readings so you can tweak the settings with precision for optimized print quality. The Ultimaker 2 Plus uses an open filament system so you can use any kind of filament you want. When you combine the numerous materials that are available with different nozzles, the possibilities are endless. The powerful geared feeder pushes the filament into the printhead with ease. It also allows you to control the pressure. So, for example, with softer filaments, the pressure can be set lower. Incredibly, the printhead has a travel speed of up to 300 mm per second and a build speed of up to 24 cubic millimeter per second. But even at such speed, it will reliably and accurately print your models. It has a remarkable layer resolution range, so you can go from 600 microns all the way down to a finely detailed 20 microns. This gives you the freedom to create really fast drafts, detailed prints, and everything in between. And if that wasn't enough, it also comes with a comprehensive 12-month warranty, free lifetime technical support via email or phone, and a huge online knowledge base. So when you add it all up, the Ultimaker 2 Plus is one of the most innovative, reliable, and altogether powerful desktop 3D printers ever created.
We took the world's best-selling SLA 3D printer and made it even better. Introducing the Form 2. Powered by a precision optical engine, the Form 2 creates laser-sharp prints with beautiful detail. With a larger build volume and smarter technology, the Form 2 is designed for performance. Now you can create perfect prototypes right on your desktop. We've redesigned the way we print. A new peel mechanism, a wiper, and a heated resin tank work together so you can print parts not possible on other machines. An integrated resin system adds materials automatically. With wireless connectivity, sending prints to your machine is simple. The Form 2 is built for collaboration. You can monitor progress, receive notifications, or easily share your printer with your team. Engineered for precision, designed for reliability. The Form 2. The most advanced desktop 3D printer ever created.
You dream of creating the future with ease, but with passion, with endless possibilities, but simply with joy. Today, for that future to happen, you need a tool, a device capable of turning an idea into an object. Hardware available on the market is either expensive or impossible to be used efficiently. Today, we need to change this. For almost 2 years now, we have been working to connect hardware, software, and building material into one product. A system for creating the future of your ideas quickly, easily, and with minimal material costs. This is how Zortrax M200 prototyping printer was born. What is Zortrax M200? It's the hardware. Slick aluminum design that just works. It really ties your office space together. It just fits the room. Solid, stable aluminum printer frame, guaranteeing high precision printing. Printer head specially designed for ABS material. Innovative, state-of-the-art high-precision ABS dosing mechanism. It's the software, designed for Zortrax M200. Innovative hardware, allowing you to easily crop and print your model. Generating easy-to-remove support for your model. Just plug and print. It's the material, popular high-quality ABS material, widely used in mass production. Lets you create ready-to-use objects with low printing costs. Durable printing plastic turns your projects into usable 3D prints, leaving traditionally printed resin toys for someone else. Just print and use. Zortrax M200. It's the printer. Design, print, and use your design right away. It's easy. It's not expensive. It's cost-effective. It's for you. You can literally have everything. Every single object can look, feel, and work exactly as you wish. Simply import your project to Zortrax Suite and create a printing template. Save your project to a memory card. Put the card into Zortrax M200. Watch your object being created layer by layer. Use your print right away. Do you need a high-quality, reliable tool to make your project come true? Are you tired of popular printers that look like car engines? You had enough of the cost-generating yet cheap-looking printing materials? We need your support to start high-quality parts manufacturing, including molded parts. Back us up and change the game. Design your future with Zortrax.